Want to watch free local channels on your smart TV? A digital antenna is a great way to access live TV, including news, sports, and entertainment, without paying for cable. In this video, I'll show you how to connect an antenna to your LG Smart TV. Step 1. Gather your equipment. First, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need a digital HDTV antenna, your smart TV, and a coaxial cable, which usually comes with the antenna. I will put a few links to recommended antennas in the description below. Step 2. Connect the antenna to your TV. Now, find the coaxial input on the back of your TV. It's usually labeled ANT-in or cable/antenna. Take the coaxial cable and connect one end to the antenna and the other end to your TV. Make sure it's screwed in tightly to avoid signal issues. Step 3. Position your antenna for the best signal. Antenna placement is key for getting the best reception. Try placing it near a window to avoid interference as high as possible for a stronger signal, away from metal objects and electronic devices that could disrupt reception. You may need to adjust and experiment to find the best location. Step 4. Scan for channels on your smart TV. Now that your antenna is connected, it's time to scan for channels. Here's how to do it. Turn on your TV and grab your remote. Open the settings menu and look for channels, tuner, or broadcast settings. Select antenna or over-the-air TV as your signal source. Choose auto scan or channel search to let your TV find all available channels. Wait for the scan to complete, then save your channels. Your TV will now display all the available local channels. Step 5. Adjust and enjoy. If some channels are missing or have weak signals, try repositioning the antenna and scanning again, using an antenna amplifier if your signal is weak. Checking online for the best broadcast towers in your area. Once you're satisfied with the channel lineup, you're all set to enjoy free, high-quality TV. And that's it. You've successfully connected an antenna on your smart TV and unlocked free live TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.